Class 8 English. Class 8 English. Lesson 1. Class 8 English. Lesson 1. The pinch of penny ring. তাহলে কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সারগুলো তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো আর লেখো। সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও এবং কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সারগুলো সব মন দিয়ে বুঝে নাও আর লিখে নাও। The pinch of penny ring. Answer the following questions to check your understanding. Why did the pupil of Chaitolya? Why did the pupil of Chitolya and the neighboring village panic? Why did the pupil of Chitolya and the neighboring village panic? The pupil of Chitolya and neighboring village panicked because due to heavy rain, the swirling water of the Brahmaputra continuous regime. What happened when the embankment at Chitolya village was breached? When the embankment at Chitolya village was breached, in no moments huge waves of water broke into the village. The water rolled over some of the housetops. What action did Khogin and his classmates take to rescue the villagers of Chitolya? To rescue the villagers of Chitolya, Khogin and his classmates made a few rafts of banana tracks, and Khogin brought his father's boat as well. How did Khogin and Dombaru rescue Dr. Hoti Borua and Moni Boydew? Moni Boydew. Khogin could see Moni Boydew's head popping in and out of the water. When he saw her, he caught her by the arm and helped her until they reached a mound above the flowed water. The doctor was also rescued and carried to the mound. Thus they rescued them. Why did the pupil of the village call Khogin the pinch of penny ring? The pupil called Khogin the pinch of penny ring because he had a knack for solving all kinds of problems. Khogin always bravely stood by them in their needs and always helped others. How much of the story do you remember? Answer these questions quickly. Who was Khogin? How old he? Khogin was a student of Nitai, 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 Pukhuri, Nitai Pukhuri College. He was 17 years old. It rained heavily all week. What was the result? The result was that the water of the Brahmaputra rose and the embankment at Chitolya village was breached. তাহলে এখানেই শেষ করলাম। তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দয়া করে সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।